Here we have an Audi A5. Now it's a 3-litre T FSI quattro coupe, 354 PS. Now the car is a cracker and it has a great spec, including an enhanced braking system, front and rear parking sensors, a multi-collision braking system, high beam assist, a voice control system, and that's to go along with these 19-inch 5-spoke cavo design alloy wheels. The boot as well is a good size, and it even has a spare wheel. The interior has super sport seats, a 7-inch colour MMI screen, and an Audi smartphone interface. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into GTI World.